Is your laptop battery actually dying, or is it something else slowing down your PC? Today I'm going to show you how to generate a battery life report. It's a deep dive into your hardware that Windows hides from the standard settings menu. It's super easy, takes about 30 seconds, and works on any Windows 10 or 11 machine. Let's dive in. First things first, go to your search bar and type cmd. And now we're going to right-click this and select Run as Administrator. That step is important because Windows won't let you peek at the hardware without permission. And now we're going to type this short command that I'll leave in the description below. After running that command, if you did it right, Windows will give you a file path. Now don't worry about memorizing it. Usually it just saves a file called batteryreport.html directly to your System32 folder or your user folder. So to get to this file, we can just highlight that section and click on Ctrl+C. Now that we have the link copied, we can just open a file explorer, and in the top bar, we'll just paste that file location. As you can see, this gets opened in your default browser. Now it looks a bit technical, but we only care about two numbers: design capacity and full charge capacity. You can think of design capacity as the size of the fuel tank when the laptop was brand new. And full charge capacity is how much fuel it can actually hold right now. Over time, that second number drops. If there's a massive gap between those two, that's why your battery is struggling. To calculate a score for these, you simply do the full charge capacity divided by the design or full capacity. So in this case, we can say it's roughly 51,800 divided by 76,000. And to get this as a percentage, we just multiply by 100. So as you can see, my current capacity is 68% of when it was brand new. Now, if your capacity is roughly below 60 or 70% of the original design, then it might be time to look into a replacement. Now, the best thing you can do to prolong the health of your battery is to keep the charge between 20% and 80%, rather than leaving it plugged into the charger all day. And that's it. You now know exactly how healthy your battery is, and whether it's time to get it replaced. If this helped you out, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.